Everyone, it's Daniel here from Developer at the Dock, and today, or in this video, we're going to be showing you how to set up a new Facebook custom audience and then use that in your ActiveCampaign account within automations. So first of all, what you're going to want to do is go to your Facebook account and come into the Facebook ads and the account that you want to use. Now I've not used Facebook ads for a while, as you can see. But what we're going to do is go to the drop down, go to all tools. In fact, we'll just go to audiences over here. And we're going to create a new audience. Now for this one, you have to create a customer audience, or a customer file kind of list. Now this is slightly different to the normal ones like website traffic or app activity, where people are either just browsing your website or they're commenting using the Facebook comment system or any other apps that you might have for Facebook. So with the customer file, what we need to do is just click on that and then click on this top one here, add customers from your own file. And what we're going to do, if you just download the template file, like so, and then just re-upload that template file. So literally just drag and drop it into there. Okay, and then it's going to give your audience a name automatically from that file. I'm just going to call it example audience. And we're going to hit next. And you'll see that from this example file, it's pulled in all the people who were on there for us. Now, this doesn't really matter. We're not going to be marketing to these people, but we need to do this just to be able to set up the audience correctly for ActiveCampaign. So we're going to upload and create that. It's now just doing that for us, and that's been done. And as you can see here, it says it's updating the audience. Don't need to worry about that. So what we're going to do is go over to our ActiveCampaign account, go to My Settings and Integrations. And then on your Facebook ads integration, you're just going to click on that and then click Manage. And as you can see here, the status is on and the sync was last done about 5 minutes ago. So I'm going to do that again. You can see that was successful. And now this is the part where we're actually going to jump into the automations and show you how to use the Facebook audiences within an automation. Okay, so new automation. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do this when someone subscribes to a list. And this would perhaps be my lead magnet list. So if you've got a lead magnet on your website, then we're going to put them in here. For the add a new action, you're going to click on contacts. And then right at the bottom here, you can see that there's two. There's add to Facebook custom audiences and remove from Facebook custom audiences. So we're going to do add to. And as you can see, our example audience is there. So we've got our example audience ready. And the ads account here, if you've got more than one ad account set up in your integrations area in My Settings, they'll all come up here as well. So you can actually add these people into lots of different audiences for different ads accounts if you want to. But make sure you've got the right audience set up, which we have. We're going to click Save. And that's that. That's all sorted out. So that's going to put them into that audience. You could then perhaps add a tag to them, send them an email. Yeah. And as well, when you do want to remove them, all you need to do is click on that. Choose which audience you want to remove them from if you've got more than one. And then save that. And that's how you use it, and you can put those in any way you like within your automations. So as I said, this would probably be when someone subscribes to a list, so when someone fills out a form or purchases something on the website and that automatically added to a list, we could then put them into a Facebook custom audience for some remarketing, etc. And we can then remove them as well if we want to. So when someone purchases something, perhaps you might actually want to remove that person. So you could just do that, so move that single action. There you go. So when someone subscribes to a list, and by subscribes to a list, it means that either they click a button on a form to subscribe to that list, or they're added to a list by a system. So when they purchase something, they're added into your ActiveCampaign account. So if they then subscribe to a list by purchasing a product of yours, then you might want to remove them from your remarketing audience. Okay, add to Facebook custom audience, again, you can move these around, add and delete them, but it is as simple as that, people. So have fun using it, and yeah, enjoy setting them up. Don't forget as well, you may not be able to use some of your current audiences, so saved audiences, and this one here, which is an app. It needs to be a customer list style audience. And again, at the start of this video, I showed you how to do that, so enjoy.